Hello guys, it's your favorite chef Vicky Nice and I'm here with another amazing recipe. I'm going to be sharing my favorite red velvet cake recipe with you guys, and trust me guys, this recipe has given me lots and lots of returning customers and referrals. If you're into cake business, trust me, you want to try this red velvet cake recipe for your clients that love red velvet, or you want to try this recipe for your family and friends that love red velvet cake. Trust me, you come back and thank me. So this recipe is very easy, simple to follow, and all you need to do basically is mix all your ingredients in a bowl and transfer to your baking pan into your oven and bake. Very simple, right? So check the description box for correct measurement and recipe. As you can see on your screen, all I did was measure out all my ingredients in a bowl and I'll proceed to mixing it. I will mix it until there is no lump in my red velvet cake batter. Then I will transfer to my baking pan. I'm using a size 8-inch cake pan for this recipe. So I'll take right into my preheated oven. I'm going to bake at 180 degree for 30 to 45 minutes. So once it's 30 minutes, I'll go and check on the cake to see how far it has gone. It's advisable to check on your cake 30 minutes after putting it into your preheated oven. If you keep on checking on your cake like before time, you are going to end up with a fallen cake. Your cake the end result of your cake rather, will not turn out well. So make sure that you leave your cake inside your preset oven for 30 minutes or over 30 minutes before you check on it. So guys, don't forget to check the description box for ingredients and measurements. If this is your first time coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe for more amazing baking and cooking recipes. To my old and returning subscriber, thank you all for coming back to watch my video. I do not take your love and support for granted. Thank you all so much, and I promise to bring to your screen more amazing and beautiful recipes. Thank you for sticking with me guys. See you in my next video. Bye.